Hi bro, what's up man? How you doing?
What's your?
My name is Director Tam. What's your name?
My name is Salim.
Can you please introduce yourself and let us know more about you?
I come from Osun Station.
Yeah.
I came here like 2017.
Okay.
So I came here on level. I used like 8 years before they bring all these boys to come and level.
Okay.
But I know about the work.
Are they like your brothers or something? Or just
all my brothers know
where your brothers live?
my brother live from the States.
So you want taking care of all these boys here?
Yeah.
I be like say where they work with them.
Not like me.
The money wanna get every day, they enough to feed.
No be our own money, na our family.
So no.
Any money where we see, we allow the collect and money for food.
So how much they give on her?
For more is 500 naira for me. All these boys take on this.
Per day?
No, by day I don't know.
Okay. What's your name?
Shegun.
Shegun, how old are you?
I'm a 16 years old.
So what's the relationship with these guys? How did you get here? From where did you come?
My dad is here to come Lagos, come and level for a friend.
From a friend hand. Are you enjoying it?
Yes. Like I'm here like 2022.
Since 2022. Nice.
Papa, you go.
Daddy pay. I'm paying shop for Kushilo.
So which kind of wahala on the face on a day-to-day basis as they do this kind of work?
Sometimes they say we dey work. We no get chance sometimes. Sometimes they look at some customers say we dey shout, we dey work for them. They will look us like saying, na because say we dey work for them, I still work for them. Everything they do.
So as say they do, wetin na dey call this on our work?
Vulcanizer.
So as they do vulcanizer work, how you go say the time of Buhari and the time of Tinubu? How you go say work don dey?
For that Buhari time, work day. But for this Tinubu, everything hard.
So if customer come and you tell them say na like this they charge, do you get me? Waiting then they say money too much, abi
yes.
money not too
Some
much.
people go talk say money too much. Some people say they go pay the money at once.
Some people just pay the money sharp. So you dey add price? You dey add price for your money?
No, na the list price where they give us. Now we dey do.
Wetin be the list price?
List price. So one day they pay 2,000 for some work, 3,000 a day, 1,500, 1,000 a day. Na so we dey do am.
Come again. Waiting.
1,000 a day, 2,000, 3,000.
Okay. So which kind of work be 1,000 naira?
1,000 is for Marwa.
Okay.
If you pass Marwa.
Okay.
For car like this, if you pass it's 2,000 or 3,000.
Okay.
One service 3,000.
So you know they add money if you
No.
Oh wow.
We want some money where customer give us. Now instead they wish they take care of ourselves.
So on a price add or on a price no add?
Our price no add.
So from Buhari time to this time, price no add?
No, price add for Tinubu. For Buhari's time, they do 1,800.
Okay.
But for this Tinubu, they do 2,000, 2,500, 3,000.
So as they do vulcanizer, since they do vulcanizer work, what is the things where we say you don't learn for street?
For street, I don't learn like many things.
Tell us what you don't learn. What you don't learn?
Nah, no say na because the money no dey now. The thing where I never talk like everything too much that. Get some boys say for street self, they do on press because they no money.
Then they do it
on press.
Explain what be on press.
That on press like this means say where like small boy no reach us. They carry where the big phone pass us. You just the most of the boys say you no reach me. I dey work for him. I go do that sir because of money. But what did they want here?
So you feel like say make other young people also learn organizing, or you feel like say make them not just put body at all? Which you go talk?
You know say organizer for another set now. Money go dey pass that one girl site. That one girl set now. The work now they are like 300 na 200 na that time for that kind 2017 18 work no dey that time. But this time around, all the old boy where they want learn work now, make them learn work. But money day now pass that the other time. I told you with that.
So in the day, how much did they make?
No be my own money. I'm our guy. Sometimes they say we go work finish like this. If we work finish, now I go collect them. No, they know how much we're in the get.
So now you dey hold the money.
Now my guy dey hold am. If you work finish, you go collect the money for hand.
No.
No, you don't stay. When that money where customer self give us, me sometimes they carry 7,000, 5,000 go out. But customer in a day, so customer say I go work for them, I go follow them laugh. Then they say my guy make her come, I'll give himself my own something.
So in a day you like this, they make 7,000.
I make 7,000, 5,000.
Okay. Aside the organ money.
Yeah. My lord.
So since today na Independence Day, you get me?
Yeah.
What you want tell Tinubu? If you go watch this video now, what you want tell him?
I'll tell Tinubu, that's hostage, me come down. Fuel don't cost too much. Fuel 1 liter is 1,000 something like this. For that Buhari time, fuel don't cost like this now. Me Tinubu say will pity us now. All this one for this Nigeria. If say that country they where me if you want go, I don't want since. Because that country know they where me if you go.